Let's check the progress on the 1976 Silver Shadow long wheelbase. Follow me. Here we are. This 76 is chassis number LRE 23114, ordered November of 1976. Mileage is 48,000. The car was purchased approximately 4 months ago, and in that time stripped the car down to a bare body, bare pan, rebuilt, polished, coated, you name it, and reinstalled everything. It has not been started. It's currently dry. Let me give you a close-up here of some of the areas. The spring plates were powder coated. Just about all of the bright work that you see, including all the hardware and brackets, have been CAD plated. The reservoir has been done in electroless nickel. Everything has been redone. Now we're going to take you underneath. The color, by the way, is peacock blue. The car will be stripped and painted. There we go. Here we go underneath. Obviously all the calipers have been redone. I put in stainless steel brake pistons, zinc plated. Subframe was stripped, painted. Got a few bruises from installation, but we'll recoat everything. It's not a problem. Dropped the sump, cleaned everything. In fact, it wasn't dirty. The cover is off the rat trap because we're going to be bleeding the G valve, so I might as well just leave it off. The any hoses were replaced. That's the new fuel line. Everything has been polished, put back together. New undercoating where possible. I also want to show you this here as well. I don't know if we could see it from here. There we go. The accumulators, pressure valves, brake pumps have all been rebuilt by British Tool Works and tested as a system. These have been plated as well. You got B-bank over there. Here we go, this is a better picture. Oops. There's A-bank. Let's go to the back again. There we go. Everything in the back was completely removed. The complete subframe, all the lines replaced. hardware polished, plated. The rear was, or as they say, the final drive was disassembled. It was pressure washed in an engine block washer. Springs taken down. New universals. A little more of a close-up here for you. I take the word restoration rather seriously. For me, it's more than a set of tires and a paint job. It is a complete disassemble, rebuilding, replacing of every particular component in the car. I would almost call it a remanufacturing. So over the next 3 months, I'll be stripping the car, painting it, pulling out the interior, most of which is out right now, cleaning, rejuvenating the leather, re-dyeing the leather. The wood is perfect. This car sat in a garage at the Carlisle Hotel in New York City, where the owner, very wealthy woman by the name of Rebecca Harkness, had a residence. She actually had several residences, and was used for only 6 years. And it sat for many of them. In fact, here you could see the new stainless steel piston in front there. In the background is another car I own, a 1980 Silver Wraith 2, one of only about 53 produced. Fuel-injected Wraiths were produced from March of 1980 till just about the end of December. This one was ordered in December of 1980 and did not arrive here until June of 1981, and sometimes it's referred to as an 81 model. This car I completely took apart 2 years ago and put back together. It's a stunning automobile underneath as well. Here's the engine compartment. The car runs in it like an absolute top. Again, everything was taken out and redone. There's a custom car cover by California Car Cover. Beautiful cover. Fits like a glove. And I think that's it for now. Got a lot of work left to do on this one, but my time frame on this is probably, I'm looking at the end of June on this build here. Until then, goodbye.